Hey viewers. Hope you are all fine. So, today, we are gonna check out some RGB gaming quality keyboards, priced under Indian rupees 2000. First of all, we are gonna look at the Zebronic Gaming Multimedia USB keyboard and mouse combo, which is also known as the Zebronic Transformer. It's actually a high-quality product, which has the best customer experience and has a rating above 4.6 in 7060 reviews. It provides a best experience while gaming, and with the RGB, it also gives the user a gaming environment. It costs an amount of 1,300 INR. Next comes the Redgear G20 gaming keyboard and mouse combo. It also comes with a RGB backlit keyboard and a 4800 pi RGB mouse. It's actually the most suitable type for the gamers who loves the RGB very much, cause the RGB backlit from the keyboard is highly saturated and extremely good in view. It does not have that much latency and is good for medium PC gamers. It has a total of 4.1 rating in 1,772 reviews in Amazon and cost around 1,299 INR. Now comes the AntiSports KM500W gaming backlit keyboard and mouse combo. It's a black keyboard with RGB light outlined the keys of it. Its mouse contains 7 programmable buttons. The main benefit of this combo is that it comes with the license of the game World of Warships. Its mouse is of the model of a warship and contains the logo of World of Warships. It is highly user-friendly and costs around 1,100 INR. Next, we are looking at the AntiSports KM540 gaming backlit keyboard and mouse combo, which can be said as an successor of the former model. It has a neatly done keyboard layout with RGB lights only outlining the keys. The mouse is equipped with advanced gaming optical sensor, which improves the user experience while gaming. It also contains 7 programmable buttons. Lastly, we are looking at the keyboard and mouse of 2 different brands. The keyboard is of the brand Zebronic Kranos RGB backlit gaming keyboard, coming with 10 multimedia keys and 7 RGB color modes. It's actually a good-looking keyboard with better performance and has a rating of 4.4 out of 200 reviews. It costs around 1,000 Indian rupees. The mouse we are looking at is the XMATE Zoro wired USB gaming mouse with H3200 pi optical sensor, along with 6 mechanical buttons. It has a frequency of 500 Hz, which gives a quicker response to your movements inside the game. It costs around 544 Indian rupees and has a 1-year warranty. So, that's all for today. If you hasn't yet subscribed the channel, subscribe it and make sure to click the bell icon for boosting your device to 240 FPS and doubles your device's RAM and internal storage. Thanking you all for watching video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, it's me reviewer Zephyr signing off.